In the summer camp, you had a beach. That's why it was called the summer camp. And if you swam out too far, the British would come by with a boat and beat you with sticks. And the Irish troops in the British Army disliked the British more than, and they used to sneak us out to swim, you know, in the garbage trucks. In fact, Paddy Fitzgerald saved my life one time when they stopped my truck going between two camps. The reason they transferred us to another camp so we can get out a quota system. The British guy, he says, those guys, I heard them speak English. And we're on the back of a truck. And we don't know what he's talking about, you know? So the British guy jumps on, he sees one of the guys from my ship was Hugh McDonald. He went to Harvard. He had his law books with him. So he says, whose is this? Hugh says, picks him up. Hugh was Irish, Hugh McDonald. He says, I learned to speak English. He said, that's good, nice going. And he gets off, and Paddy Fitzgerald pulls up with his truck, honks the horn, and the British are very stately. So the officer in charge with his swagger stick, stop the rioting, he says, move those trucks. And we got us out of there. And he waved to me like this. And for about 25 years, I used to send him a Christmas card, Limerick Island. Paddy Fitzgerald, we stayed friends. Yeah. These are things that, you know, Yiddishkeit. It's all in Yiddishkeit.